People are legit making thousands of dollars in passive income every single month, all because they have a product that consumers want and are throwing money at. And this is something that doesn't seem like it just takes luck to do. So I'm here today to go ahead and put that to the test. So I'm gonna see if I can come up with a winning dropshipping product in less than 10 minutes that has the potential to make me some serious money. Here's the catch. I can only spend less than $10 or less to get this done. It has to prove that it's already making money, and it has to be a product that consumers are actively looking for today. Wish me luck, because the timer starts now. Now, since my goal here is to spend less than what my lunch just cost me, I did my research on the best product research platform out there right now, and the one that I came up with was AutoDS. What I found was that they have 4 different product research sections that I'm gonna go ahead and get to work with, and they triple as a product research, fulfillment, and automation platform. Pretty much meaning that any product that I find on this platform, I'm already going to have a verified supplier for. That's all I needed to know to decide that this was a product research tool that I needed to work with. And right now, as you can see, you're able to start using their platform for 30 days for only $1. And I'm gonna go ahead and drop a link in my description so you can go ahead and get that same deal. But if we succeed at this challenge, I think that's more than enough time to find a winning product and start making sales. So I'm gonna go ahead and go through with the purchase of it and see if we can officially check off the first requirement of finding a winning product in under 10 minutes by, actually finding a winning product with it. All right, now that I'm logged into the app, I'm officially seeing the different product research sections that they have to offer. It's looking like the marketplace is showing me pretty much every product that they have to offer on the platform. And they have this little fast shipping section right here that is showing products that can be shipped in 1 to 5 days, which let me tell you is insane. It also looks like you can filter down to get a closer look at the products that you really want, which could definitely be really good for us. The next section is this handpicked product section, which is looking like the products that they're showcasing that are currently doing well on the market, or at least have the potential to do so. And I really like these breakdowns that give information on what's happening with the product right now. Just a real high level view of the product and its current performance, profit margins, saturation, and engagement score, all of which are going to be super useful in this search. Now, this ads by section is showing me the actual ads that are currently running for different products right now across Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. You can see that you can search for specific products with keywords and add the exact engagement that you're looking for, which let me tell you is game changing because you're able to see what is actively working the best on the market. One thing I know for sure is that these advertisers, they're not going to be spending money on these ads that are showcasing in this section if these products are not actually making money for them. It costs money to advertise. So you can already assume that the products in this section are already actively making money for someone else, which is huge. The beauty about selling online is that anything that someone else is doing successfully can be replicated for your own use, including the products that they're making money with. So I'm most likely going to be using this section while on my search for a winning product. Now, the last product research section that I'm seeing is the trending product section that looks a lot like the handpicked product section. But this one is more focused on the products that are trending on the TikTok side. And you can see that when you click on any of these products, you'll find a detailed breakdown of TikTok analytics, showing both the product's performance and the ads effectiveness. So I think that we're gonna have everything that we need to find a winner on this platform. But before I jump into the product research, I do wanna make sure I have a good understanding of the trends that are popping off right now, or at least about to. That way I can make this super simple, and I already know exactly what type of product that I need to be looking for, and can make sure that it's something that consumers are already looking to buy. Remember, that's one of the requirements for this challenge. So to make sure to get that done, I'm gonna head over to Google Trends and see what consumers are telling me to sell based off of what they're actively searching for. Since we're right in the middle of winter, I wanna see what trends consumers are looking forward to. Some that I can think of right off the bat is like spring and gardening. And as I search those 2 terms, you can see that the interest and search for them are picking up, which to me is a green light to then find a product that fits within one of these terms. Now, when I think about spring products, the first thing that comes to my mind is spring cleaning and being outdoors. So that means I just need to focus on finding problem-solving cleaning products or even organizational tools that can make someone's life easier. And gardening products, these are self-explanatory. But my main focus here is just gonna be finding a product that solves a problem and fits within the trend that consumers are searching for. So now with all that in mind and knowing the trend, I'm gonna now head back over here to AutoDS and see what type of products I can come up with. But before I do that, I am giving out a giveaway today. So if you're someone who's interested in getting a free one-on-one consulting call with myself and my team to learn more about how you can find winning products consistently and learn strategies so that you can officially start making money online, then all you have to do for your chance to win this is smash that like button down below, and in the comment section, comment the word product along with your biggest takeaway from this video. Now look, the clock is ticking, so I'm gonna go ahead and start the search for my product. With that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and start off in the trending product section, just so that you can get a feel for how I'm looking for these products. So the first thing I'm gonna go ahead and do is add in a search title. I'm gonna go ahead and stick with what we already been talking about, which is spring cleaning. And go ahead and click on search. Then what I'm gonna go ahead and do is sort by sold growth percentage in the last 7 days. So I'm seeing who's actually getting the most traction and the most sales within the last 7 days. The best competitor to look for is the most recent competitor who is currently scaling up. Now, all these filters up here, you can adjust them as needed. I do like looking for products that have a good amount of engagement, so the main thing that I play with is likes and impressions. With likes, you can do anything like 20,000 or more or 50,000 or more. Impressions, same thing, more than 20,000. For sell price range, I typically like doing 30 to 100 or more than 100. Those are the only two filters that I choose. Now that I'm done applying a bunch of different filters, you can see it's gonna show me a range of all types of different products. Here's a handheld broom with a dustpan. This one would probably do good with spring cleaning. Here's a small repotting mat for indoor plant transplanting. This would actually do really well for the gardening niche. Here's a pool filter cleaning tool. This would also do really well because everybody has to clean their pools before the summertime, which aligns with the season. So as you can see, the more and more that I scroll, the more opportunities and winning products that I can find. So literally, right off of that first search, I already found a couple products that were catching my attention. But I'm still gonna dig a little bit deeper and see if I can find something that I really, really like. So this is the product that I came up with, which is an electric spin scrubber for cleaning bathroom. Now I chose this product for a couple reasons. The first being it has high demand for cleaning solutions. As we already validated, spring cleaning is coming up and people all the time are looking for efficient ways to clean their home. And this solves that problem. But it solves so many other problems as well, like allowing you to be able to reach spaces that you typically cannot reach. Helping you also avoid back pain or joint discomfort because you don't actually have to manually scrub as it's automatically going to do the work for you. It also is just time saving and provides effortless cleaning. And remember, if you could save somebody time doing something, they're gonna feel like they need the product and not just want it. And lastly, and probably one of my favorite things, is that it appeals to a wide audience of people. From homeowners to elderly individuals to clean freaks. I mean, anybody who's going to be cleaning their house needs this item. And one of the best parts is that people are running ads for this product right now, which just makes my life easier because I can see what is working and what is not for others. This is such a simple, quick ad that I know I could do better on, but again, still look at this engagement in the last 7 days. A 73% increase in views in the last week alone, and every single day it's going up. And then when I come over here to AdSpy and type in electric scrubber, look at all these other ads that are still running. I mean, this one got 345,000 views in the last 14 days, which is clearly showing how this is a problem-solving product and what this product can do for the end user. And when I'm looking at this, I'm also looking at barriers to entry, like how many competitors are actually scaling right now. And when we look through this, yes, there's a lot of people promoting the product, but there's not a lot of people scaling, which means that the market share is at the favor of you. So knowing that there's a huge demand behind it, this appeals to a wide audience of people, there's ways that we can improve in our ads versus our competitors, and it's a major problem-solving product, this is exactly what we want to look for in a winning product. All right, so after validating all of that, I think that this is going to do really well on the market. And it's something that consumers are actively looking for. So we can go ahead and officially check that off the requirement of this challenge. So now that we got that checked off, it is time to check off another requirement, hopefully, by identifying that this is a product that is actively making money today. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do is pull up the competitors that AutoDS gives me, also head over to Google and search for the product title plus myshopify.com. Typing it in this format on Google is gonna allow me to see other Shopify stores that are selling this product and identify if they're currently making sales or not. So let me go ahead and open up a couple of these competitors real quick, and then I'm also gonna open up a free Google Chrome extension called SimilarWeb that's gonna tell me about how much traffic that they currently have coming into their store. All right, so here's two different competitors. This one currently has 74,800 monthly visitors, and this one has 147,700 monthly visitors. Where you can see with this competitor, majority of the traffic is from the United States, and the same with this one as well, which makes my life so much easier because when it's time to start advertising this product, I already know exactly where to advertise towards. So now that we validated and seen that these stores currently are bringing in traffic, we can now take it one step further to do a quick equation to figure out how much you're currently making from selling this product. Let's take this one for example. They have 147,700 monthly visitors. So if we take out our calculator and do 147,700 monthly visitors, we're gonna take that traffic and we're gonna multiply it by the industry Shopify conversion rate, which is 2.5%. Basically just saying on industry standards, out of 100 people who come into your store, typically 2.5 people purchase. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna multiply this by 0.025, which is gonna come out to 3,692. And that number is a reflection of the estimate of how many orders they're currently getting. So if we take that estimation of orders and then multiply it by their selling price of $39.99, that's gonna tell us how much they're currently making, which comes out to $147,663 before the trend has even really taken off. And that is exactly what I want to see to check off the final requirement from this challenge, as this product is proving to not only drive traffic, but to be driving sales too. I think we have now found something that has a lot of potential to be a winning product. So let's do a quick recap of what we just accomplished all in under 10 minutes. So first, we found a potential winning product that is making sales today. Check. We found a potential winning product that falls in line with a trend that consumers are actively looking for. Check. And most importantly, we were able to do it all for less than $10. Check. So I would say that we nailed this challenge. And that is true that finding a winning product that can absolutely change your life is not something that can happen through luck. It all comes down to understanding consumer demand, using the right tools to find products that match that demand, and most importantly, taking action to put in work and find them. So if you're ready to take action and you want to learn how to take a product like this and scale it into a 5, 6, or even 7-figure online store, just like thousands of my students have already done, then make sure you take this opportunity to head to my description and apply for one of my limited one-on-one coaching spots that are still available. Until then, make sure you meet me at this next video where I'm going to show you step-by-step how to create and design your own online store so you can add this product to it and start making sales. I'll see you there. This is AC with Supreme Ecom, and I'm out.